Willkommen zur Sprache für alle Deutsch kostenloser Kurs. Ab A1, A2, B1 und B2 Aufbaustufe.
Welcome to Language for All German Free course. From A1, A2, B1 and B2 advanced level. In collaboration with Worldgist Mega TV on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Live Tutor etc. You need us to teach you the secret behind German language. From beginner's level to advanced level. Thanks for your supports by sharing, likes, the bell icon. And of course by subscribing to this beautiful opportunity. Designed for us to meet our requirements. If you want to study in Germany, reunite with your loved ones and of course to work in Germany. There are many eye-opener secrets you would learn in this platform. Do not miss this, see you there. Good luck.